Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a very simple booking system. So on this sheet, I have some courses, companies, courses, trainers. If I select a trainer from this drop-down list, say if I select Dave, when I select Dave, it will show me the status for Dave over here. So if I put Steve on there, you can see the data filling in from here. B for booked, H for holiday, etc. That information is coming from the trainers sheet here. So whatever is populated here is going to be pulled through into the sheet. This grey area I have called data. So I'll just highlight all of that. I've called that data so I can refer to it. I would probably highlight the whole sheet like that and call that data so it moves along. Now, on the courses sheet, this cell is just equaling the dates on the other sheet, and I could just extend that. Could also just go to the view tab and freeze panes there, so when I move across you can see the data moves across like so. So what I'm going to do is just basically recreate, take that off, this area here so you can see how it works, and there's some of these options here as well. There's formulas in these cells. So if I just copy the titles first of all, copy those and bring them down to here, and then basically I'll copy these companies. Actually, just go 3 of them, copy, paste them in there. So courses, this could be a validation list, but I've just got it like that, so I'll leave it like that. Copy, paste them down there. Now the trainer is a validation list, so if I go here, go over to data, the data tab should I say, and validity at the end there, I want this from a cell range, and then that is in that other sheet. Just go back down into trainers and highlight them. That's what I want to appear. Click OK to that. So then I should have that list. I'll just pull that down for the other 3. Just select somebody, select myself, Dave, and then that one. So delegates, I'll just put 444, and then the room. This is another validity list because I've got different rooms. Go back over to data, and this time I'm going to range list. I'm going to type this one. So 402, 208, 206, 201. Okay, pull that down, and then I'll select 402, and then I'll select 208 and 206 or whatever. So now in here I've got a formula, so basically an if function to say if that says 402 it's 12, otherwise it's 8. So it's equals if, open the bracket, so if that equals 402 comma 12, otherwise 8. That's the options. Simple if statement there. So if that equals 402 is 12 spaces, otherwise it's 8. And I'll just pull that down, see if that works. And then you're basically taking this off of this from that. The maximum minus the number booked on. Take that, so there's 8 spaces left. And then there's 4 spaces left on this. And then I'll just grab these dates here, copy them down, drop them in there. And then I've got another validation list here, booked and not booked, and again I've typed that one out. So if I go into there, go back up to data validity, this is going to be a list that I'm going to type, So it's going to be booked, press enter, not booked, click OK to that, pull that one down, put it down again with it, don't have to type it out again. Alright, so now I want this information to come through here against these dates. So I haven't actually done that formula, so I need to sort of move this cell. I'll just cut this out of the way actually. Cut, paste it there. So what I'm going to do there is go equals down onto the trainers, click onto the first date, just tick that, and then I can just pull that across a little bit like so. Now what I need here is this stuff to come up. So I need to do this VLOOKUP with the dollar signs looking at that. And now I've got this columns function in the middle of it, so I don't have to type column 2, column 3, column 4 like that. So that'll automatically do it for me. But that's what I'm going to type now. So it's equals VLOOKUP. Let's type VLOOKUP, open the bracket. So I'm going to look at the person's name, comma. I'm going on to the other sheet, and I want to look at data, call that data, comma. Then I'm going to put the function column, and I want it to start at B3 like so. Close that, comma 0 for an exact match, close that. Let's have a look, tick that. So before I pull it across, I need to $sign the C, otherwise it'll just move over. So up at the top there, I need to put a $sign in front of the C to lock it. So lock the column C, and then tick that, and then let's see what happens when I pull that across. So if I pull that across for Steve, it comes in with the information for Steve. And the way I've done that, I should better pull that down for the other two, and then pull it across for everybody else, like so, and it'll fill them in. So Dave has only got one booking. If I go back to the trainers and look for Dave, he's only got one booking, which is right. So that's working. Now obviously this is just a very simplistic example of what you can do. If you want this to be a lot longer, you're going to have to use name ranges and plan out the whole year, potentially 1st of January all the way to the 31st of December, and then that year's done, and then you can just utilize it like this. And as I did before, if I click there, I can go to the View tab and freeze the panes, so when you scroll to the right, use this one, get the right one. As you're going across, that's going to give you the rest of the year going forward. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can create a very simple booking system using VLOOKUP and name ranges. So hopefully that video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.